हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, अ सर्कुलर डिस्क ऑफ रेडियस r इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम बिगर सर्कुलर डिस्क ऑफ रेडियस 2r सच दैट circumference ऑफ द डिस्क coincides. सो लेट अस मेक राइट इस तरीके से दिया है। ए डिस्क मानते हैं जिसका रेडियस 2r है। ओके, एंड लेट अस assume this is the center and there is a smaller disk whose right these two coincides. Okay, and the radius of this is 2r. So let us call this distance, so this is the center here, let us call, so this entire is 2r, this entire is 2r, and the radius of this smaller one is r, and this is removed from here. Okay, so this one is filled, you can say like, okay, now it is saying the center of mass of the new disk is AR from the center of the bigger disk. So let us call this the center of bigger disk. I am calling this one as point O, and I am taking this one as x axis. Let us take, okay, so this is 0, so the position of this will be R. Okay, the position of this point will be 2R, like this. Okay, now it is saying the center of the mass of the new disk is AR from the center of the bigger disk. So what is the value of AR? I mean, I have to find the center of mass of this, the shaded portion of the disk, because this part is removed here. So I am calling, so let us call this part as 1 and this part I am calling as 2. Okay, what I will do here, let us fill this part also. So I am filling this part. I mean, although it is removed, but right, I have filled this part too with the mass. So now after filling, this will become the full disk. So let us call part 1 and part 2. So as you all know, so the center of mass of the part 2 will be at this point, that is at the position R, and the center of mass of the part 1, this I don't know. Okay, so let us apply the center of mass equation. So I can say here, right, m1 x1, right, m1 is the mass of this one part of the disk, plus m2, that is the mass of this part of the disk. I am telling you this mass has been taken out, but for the purpose of solving this question, I have filled this cavity with the mass. So this is mass here, so this becomes m2, and let us call this is x2, and that must be equal to, right, the center of mass of the whole disk, and that is here. So this will be total mass, that is m, and the center of mass of the entire disk will be the origin, so this will become m into 0. So the left hand side will become 0 here. What is the mass? m1. Okay, so m1 will be how much? See, right, let us assume the density is rho here, so this will become rho, right, that is the mass per unit area. And what is the area occupied? Total, see, right, pi 2r a square minus r square. Okay, so this is the area of first part. Okay, plus m2. What is the mass of 2 now? So once again the density will be rho and the area is pi r square. So this becomes pi r square into x2. So what is the x2? Right, I mean, right, center of mass of 2, that is r, right, and the center of mass of first one, that I don't know, right, so I will call here, take as x1 only. So now you can see here, this will become 0 is equal to rho, and that will become pi 4r square minus r square. So this will become 3 pi r square into x1 which I need to find, right, x1 is which is I need to find. So this will become rho pi r square into r, right. So you can see the rho, I can take, I need to find the x1, so the rho will get cancelled out, and rho into pi r square, right, it will get cancelled out because this is 0 here. So we will get 0 is equal to 3x1, right, plus r, because rho into pi r square, this can be taken common. So rho into pi r square is taken common, so that will become 3x1 here. Rho pi r square is taken common, so this becomes r, and okay, let us take rho pi r square common. Okay, now we'll see, right, this will go that side, so this will become 0. So here I can say 3x1 plus r is equal to 0. So this implies x1 is equal to minus r upon 3. So see, right, so what is the center of mass of part 1 which I need to find? That is minus r upon 3. So this will be towards this side and minus r upon 3. So here is the center of mass of the part 1. So see, what is the value of a now? You can see from the option, that is 1 upon 3, because it is saying distance. So the value of a will be a upon 3. Okay, so the option B is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.